So we have one for first email for our analysis. I'll right click and open in tool called Thunderbird. So it's same email client from Firefox, like Mozilla, of the same company who created Firefox browser email client software for them. So they have used LinkedIn app, you can see here. So what is the sender's email address? Here we can see this is the sender's email address. I'm just copying and submitting here. What is the recipient email address? Here we have the recipient email address. What is the operating IP address? Defang the IP, okay. For defanging, we use a tool called CyberChef. I'll go to more view page source. So here I can read the entire email structure of the email. So for this convenience only, like we are using Thunderbird. So and this can be done in other also, like, but I feel like Thunderbird is much more convenient. So if we scroll around, we'll get the IP address of it. So here we have the IP address. So we can go to CyberChef and defang the IP address. So CyberChef is loading. I just click on defang. I'm just taking IP address of defang. I'm just pasting the IP address which we have found. I'm just pasting it 204 93 183 11. So here on the output I have the defang one. So I'm copying that and I can paste it. So how many hops did the email go through to get the recipient? Yeah, that's possible. So here we can see the hops. So received 1, 2, 3, 4 receipts are there. So that's 4 hops. After fourth hop, it has reached the destination. So then we have Cisco Talos, which is a tool for threat intel gathering. So here I'll show you guys how to access Cisco Talos. It's an open source tool from one of the free tool from Cisco. Cisco Talos. Yeah. So if you go intelligence group, so that's the very first thing. I'll just close it. And also I don't want CyberChef anymore. I think so. I'm just copying the email address and I'm pasting it, the IP address of the machine which we have found in the last previous final thing. Here you can see I'm getting some information like Chicago. So what is the list domain of IP address? Okay, domain details, where is it? So here you can see scnet.net. So that's the domain. So what is the customer name of the IP address? Okay, that also we can get it. So complete web review. So that's the customer name.